Okay, so suppose that in some orthonormal basis, which we have right here, U1, U2, U3, which are kets. And we have an operator A that acts on these three bases. And the operator that acts on these three bases are defined this way. A1 acting on U1, you get this. Operator A acting on U2, you get this. Operator acting on U3, the ket, you get this. Now, an is operator is basically a matrix. But if you see even the differential equation or even partial differential equation, there are cases when numerically that a derivative or second derivative can be represented by a matrix. And if you notice eigenvectors and eigenvalues, you'll notice that there's a matrix acting on a column vector, and you get eigenvalues. So when you see an operator, you see chances are you're going to see, you go down here to the corner, you get something like this, some kind of operator like that. This is more or less a matrix. It's just a matrix. That's all it is. It's a matrix. And typically these kets are column vectors. So we have three representative orthonormal definitions with that operator A acting on it. So, but the operator is defined in general as a 3x3 matrix. In this case, it could be 4x4, 4x5, depending on the basis. So if we just want to simply calculate the expectation value, which is this for U1, U1 and U1 with operator A, we can find the expectation value. What we need to do is have a bra operating on an A with a ket, and we'll get this as that operator U1 is defined. As you see this, when that definition is on this side, right side of the equation, you get a constant called constant 2. Well, it's just a constant, so it can be moving on the outside, as opposed to this operator cannot be. You have to be careful about moving this. But here on the right side of the equation, you got two constant out, and you got U1. Now, U1 and bra and ket is either, if they have the same, I'm going to say same, I'm not going to be mathematical, but I'm going to say same subscripts, it's equal to 1. If there are different subscripts, which you have down here, U1 and 3, it's equal to 0. So in this case, the expectation value with the states U1 is 2. It's equal to 2. Now, let's try. I didn't do all the elements of the operator, but I wanted to do a few examples, and that was one example. Here's another example: U1 and U2 with expectation value A. What do you get for that? So when you operate this, the bra and the ket U2, you get this right here. Now the 3 here is a constant. The I, which is a complex value, is a constant because you can bring them out on the left side. You got U1 here. This is of course equal to 1 because the subscripts are the same. Here the subscripts are 1 and 3, not the same, so it's equal to 0, and the value is 3. That value belongs here, 3 right here. So you can calculate all elements of the operator on the base on the orthonormal basis U1, U2, and U3. If you got another state, U4, 5, and 6, the operator would be different. So this is just a simple scratch work, because that's what this video is about. Scratch work, just to show you a little bit of the operation mathematically, what are you doing when you deal with an operator and you calculate these expectation values, which I consider this right here, expectation value. So these are the possible values, which are non-values. So then here's the answer here at the bottom. If you want to go ahead and check, I didn't get all the other elements. Again, I only got 2, and it was the first one here and the second one here. So check and see if this matrix is right and see what you get. Try it out. If you do it, you actually have done some quantum mechanics. This is basic, and that's what it meant to be simple, basic, because you want to understand once you get the math. You don't want to have the math to hinder you. You want to get to the physics and the physical interpretation. So if the math, you can handle math tools smoothly a little bit better and comfortable with the math, it makes the physics a lot easier. So hope this video helps. This is Alpha Math Scientist. I would like you to share, subscribe, share this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Hope I get some views. I'm just here to help because I want life easier for people that need help. I know sometimes people are looking for answers. So again, hope this helps.